Welcome to Field2Base. In this video, we will take a look at the various sections of the Help Center. You can access the Help Center from Field2Base.com or from the Field2Base Portal by clicking Help in the top right of the page. You can also go directly to help.field2base.com. Once you are on the Help Center homepage, you will notice two main sections. The knowledge base is where you will find articles explaining how to use our products, and is the bulk of the Help Center. You can also submit a ticket for help with our support and professional service departments. We will cover that process in another video. If you are new to Field2Base, you'll want to start in the Getting Started section. The Introduction to Field2Base article is designed to help you become familiar with our products and services. Each section links to an article or articles about that particular subject. The list on the right links to other articles in the current category. The Recommended Steps for Quick Rollout article outlines a streamlined approach to getting Field2Base up and running for your business. You will also receive a link to this article in the welcome email when you sign up. After you've become familiar with Field2Base, you can start exploring our other products and services. The Portal section is where admins can learn how to manage users, licenses, and devices, as well as control user permissions, upload forms and data files, and get admin reports. The Admin section, which contains the bulk of our Portal articles, is broken up into several subsections, including users, forms, work orders, email templates, and company information. If you are a new admin, you should become very familiar with this section. We recommend bookmarking this section in your browser. The Using the Mobile Apps section contains articles relating to the Field2Base Mobile Forms app. This will be useful for your users as they install and start using the app to complete and submit forms. The Designing Forms section contains articles which instruct the user on how to build their own forms using the Field2Base Forms Designer software, currently only available in Windows operating systems. The Integration Products section outlines how to use our integration software suite to download sent form data using the Data Integration module, upload work orders with the Enterprise Dispatch module, and upload data files with the Data Upload utility. The Professional Services section contains articles that outline the different services provided by our Professional Services Department. The Professional Services Department can provide product training for new customers, form building services, analytics dashboards, and advanced custom workflow services if your form requires a multi-step approval process. And lastly, we have the FAQ Troubleshooting section, which contains a handful of articles covering some of our users' most common problems that are not covered by articles in the other sections. If you are not sure where to find an article you are looking for, try typing your subject or question into the search bar to receive a list of all articles related to your query. If you can't find the information you're looking for in any of our existing articles or videos, you can submit a ticket with our support department in the Tickets section. You can also reach out to our support department by email at support@field2base.com or by phone at 919-462-8500, extension 2, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Thanks for watching.